Welcome back to this Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to integrate Webflow with Shopify. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Shopify, I need you to click the Start Free Trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Integrating Webflow with Shopify can be a bit tricky because they are fundamentally different platforms with distinct purposes. Webflow basically is a website builder and design tool, while Shopify is an e-commerce platform. But of course, we are here to explore several ways to create cohesive experience that combines the design flexibility of Webflow with the e-commerce of Shopify. Now, if you are already here on the Webflow, I want you to publish the site that you're currently working with. But for now, save it and publish to selected domain, right? Now just wait for it to publish. It's in progress, organizing a lot of stuff. Now you see, you have an option to publish to selected domains, because when you do that, it would be forwarded here to another page wherein you can add a custom domain. But of course, you need to go to the different subscription plans. For example, if you're in starter pack, you have all these limitations. If you wanted to publish with a custom domain, you might want to go for the most popular or the basic, which is $14 per month. Best for launching a simple site. If you want to upgrade to basic, all you're going to do is click that blue button. And once you have that done already, the next thing that you need to do is to hover to your Shopify. Now, by this point, I assume that you have already created your Shopify store and add products that you want to sell, because we're going to try to embed Shopify buy buttons of Webflow. Now, here on the Shopify admin panel, I want you to go to the apps, which is this one. Click on add apps, and then now you're gonna be welcome with this section that says app and sales channel settings. I want you to click on that gear icon, and from here, now once you are here, I need you to click on the develop apps. And basically, when you develop your apps to integrate your store's data with external services or build custom storefronts, it's all up to you. All right, I want you to click on the allow custom app development, because if you do that, you see creating apps generates access tokens that provide API access to your data. Of course, we're going to link and integrate Webflow with Shopify. And by doing so, we are responsible for keeping these tokens and the data that access secure. All right. Please be mindful that you should give staff and collaborators, especially for working with the multiple teams, freelancers, maybe with their client, that the trust permission to develop apps for your store. And once you're happy with it, this can't be undone. All right, so click on allow custom app development, just wait for it. And then now you can integrate your store's data with external services, and I want you to click on the create an app. Now in this case, I'm gonna rename this as how to integrate Webflow with Shopify. All right, so again, be mindful of the information here. I want you to read and understand all of this. Click on the create app button, just wait for it. And then from here, now once you've saved all of it, the next thing that you need to do is I want you to go to your store or your shop. Now, if you haven't set up your store already, it's very easy. All you're gonna do is go to your customize your online store. You can choose a theme and add your logo, colors, and images to reflect your brand. You have this option to customize the theme. I want you to click on it. And from here, just follow the on-screen prompt. It's very easy, really. Now here on the themes, you can of course customize. Right now, I'm going to be using the Dawn, which is the most popular default theme here in Shopify. You can of course click on customize. But the idea is we're not going to use the Shopify's built-in editor, because what we are trying to do is to integrate Webflow with Shopify. Now, once you have set up your first store, I want you to switch over to your Webflow, because once you have published this website, right here, you would be able to download all the data into a zip file. All right. Now, you see, you have the SSL, HTML, Minify, CSS, and secure frame headers. And these options are only available for projects with site plans. If you click on the add the site plan, you see, you would be forwarded here again to the starter plan, because you need all these features and tools for you to be able to download a zip file. Now, once you've downloaded the zip file, you see, when you switch over to your Shopify, when you go to the theme, currently I'm using Dawn, I want you to click on the add theme, and of course you can upload zip file. Now, the zip file will be coming from the downloaded files you have on the Webflow. All right. That's why it's very important to get all these data and download them via a zip file, so we can import that to the Shopify, because as we all know, Webflow gives you a better control over the design and aesthetics, because as we all know, Shopify, while excellent for e-commerce, has limitations in terms of design compared to Webflow. Integrating the two allows you to harness the Webflow's design prowess while leveraging Shopify's robust e-commerce functionality. And again, if you click on the publish to selected domain, you gotta upgrade to one of these plans for you to unlock and access the tools and features of the Webflow. Because with Webflow, you can create a unique and tailored user interface that enhances the overall shopping experience. All right, it wouldn't hurt if you try the $40 per month. And of course, this customization can lead to higher engagement and potentially increased sale, because a custom designed Webflow site allows for stronger brand identity and storytelling, which can be crucial for differentiating your business in a competitive market. Once you've selected this one, you upgrade it to the basic. I want you to go to the upgrade to CMS plan. So done that, you might want to go here now and just put as much as information here, and you would be able, of course, to unlock and save the zip file, which we are very important to download so we can customize the theme under the Shopify right here, because Webflow will enable the creation of interactive and engaging web elements that enhances user experience. So by integrating these elements with Shopify's shopping cart and checkout process, it can lead to higher user engagement and satisfaction. Now, I believe this approach can result in a visually stunning, high-functional online store that offers a superior shopping experience while efficiently managing e-commerce operations. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.